your go-to is like your website, right? Making sure that that conversion funnel is working how you want it to. So using your Google Analytics, are they going to the pages that you're they're supposed to be going to? Do you have a high bounce rate? So are they coming to your website and leaving right away? If you use a heat map, looking to see how much time they're spending, where they're spending, and just understanding that customer experience. That's the big one. But then you can start to look at it and dig into before they even get at your website too. Your Google business profile, is it accurate? Do you have the right phone number on there? So many times you can suggest a change on Google, and so someone can suggest a change and you miss it and you not have the right phone number,
Yeah.
or the website, or those kind of things. So looking at those pieces that make the customer journey is a good start to understanding where you are and what's happening. But like if you're looking at, I would say two things. It's your Google business profile and your website is where I would start.
And ideally, you probably have some safeguards in place where you're checking those things continuously, not waiting on a problem. Like that should have constant eyes on it to make sure you aren't missing a one of those suggested changes that come through or a link that's suddenly dead.
Yeah, there's tons of platforms that you can subscribe to, and even putting alerts onto your Google business profile and making sure that you're getting them and checking them when you receive them.